Good evening, good morning. This is Pastor Tamala Torrance, and I'm doing my video today on my discussion with Colin Jones, who was my writing coach. Hello, Professor Leland, and classmates. Um, I had a successful time going through the lessons with Mr. Jones. He taught me a lot about the style that our professor would like us to use in writing our papers, and how not to use a lot of the B words, um, and R and is just conjunction words, trying to get us to a different level of writing style. He gave me great advice on what the professor would expect within a paper: great and proper grammar, no plagiarism, and concise, clear words. Also, not to use a lot of lights ands, and try to be specific in what we're trying to write. One thing that I did learn is when we're starting to write the sentences, is to refer to the author's point of view and what they're trying to portray as far as how we're writing. The other thing is the bibliography, the context, and how to connect sentences and paragraphs together. We had a discussion about, let's see, um, the beginning of, not to use the words of a verb at the beginning, just try to put it towards the thoughts of the author. Um, I learned a lot with him. This class has also taught me a lot in how to write papers that are precise and better than I originally, when I first started attending school. So the writing lab and the coach helped me to understand the higher learning and the higher way of writing. Um, and I also learned a lot about plagiarism. I know that plagiarism can go as far as a small sentence or a word, not giving the credit to the proper author or writer of whatever we're reading or whatever we're writing about, the thesis. So that's what I learned, and it was a successful time. He showed me some different ways and different techniques of how to write the paper. So that's what I learned, and this class has taught me a lot. So I know that this class is going to be useful to other students that come along that will need to know how to write papers and the skills it takes to advance in your learning and your writing. So thank you, and I hope everyone have a blessed holiday and sessions to come. Thank you.